So what's up guys, so today I'm going to be drawing a wolf face, that picture right there. So let's get started. So first we are going to start with his head basically. It starts like a shape like that, like kind of like that. And then you just curve it all the way there. Then you just do that, a line like that. And then you go straight, stop there. Now you might want to do one like that, one like that, and one like that. That's basically his mouth. So his nose is right there. Do a little diagonal one like that, and kind of basically connect it there. And then do one line like that, and then color the rest in, except that little curve that's there. So now we're gonna draw his bottom like a chin, his chin, the wolf's chin. So you do start off like that, and then keep going like kind of wiggly lines, stop there, and then you just start like that, and now you just kind of curve like that first, and then go down here, then do a little curve like that, and start from here exactly where it kind of started off, then connect it there, and now from the start put a dot there, and from here just connect those two like that. And now we're going to do another one of those big ones. So do another big curve there, and then go diagonally into there, and do a little line like that there. And now we are going to do, you see this diagonal that goes here? Just make like basically a V out of it, but this diagonal is supposed to be smaller than that. And from that, we are going to do a little skinny one. Pretty skinny, I gotta say. And then curve like that. Keep going here, and stop there. Do like that, and a bit up. That's another curvy thing. And then now you're going to be doing one like that, and then another one like this. But now we're going to be doing curvy one like that. Now we're going to be doing his ears. His first ear is kind of small, not that big because it's behind. Do a little curve like that in there. Then just do a little curvy line there, you know. And now we are going to do his second ear. It's really big because in the angle, his first, this one, in the angle, if you look at it, it's supposed to be bigger because it's basically according to the angle. Now you just like kind of do a very thin layer around it. Now just do a little zigzaggy thing all the way from there. And now from here, do the same zigzaggy thing, stop there. And now, why I stopped here from the fur is, this one is actually supposed to come from the ear. You like curve it all the way here, stop there, and like I said, curve it there, connect it for that one. If it's like very if it made it like too long, you can erase it and do it from here. And now you can just go down a little, and then ta-da, do the same thing, and boom. So now we're going to do his eyes. His eyes go something like this first, and then this, and then a little line like that. Now we're going to do a curve like that inside there, and then do that there. A little circle and then color the rest in except the circle. Now we will do a little details. You see the curve, it goes like that. Keep like zigzagging it all the way until here, and then do a curve there. Now it kind of looks like a wolf. And we just do a little line there, and then a little line there for like a little bit of extra. You don't have to do those two lines, only if you want to, by the way. And I think we are done. And that's how you draw a wolf. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and go check out more videos. And you can share this video with your friends.